What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hooked. Today we're just going to do a simple cooking video. Haven't been fishing. Most of these beaches along the coast and the west coast anyway are on lockdown. Can't park anywhere, but we're just going to show you how we cook salmon here at the Riney House. We're going to be using Everglades fishing chicken seasoning. If any of you watched Your Meat for Dinner, you've seen that a million times. Some La Mexicana salsa from our local Ralph's. We're going to cut up some bell pepper and onion, throw it in the veggie cooker, throw it on the grill. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're going to use Everglades fish and chicken seasoning. Just going to sprinkle a little bit on the salmon. Give it some nice salt underneath the layer of salsa we're going to be doing. With salmon, or mostly any fish, I don't ever rinse it off. Usually I just pat it dry, especially if it's store-bought. Get some of that liquid that's been sitting in there and making it funky for the past few days. And also, if you put seasoning and stuff like salsa, or maybe you're doing chicken and you put cheese on it, or burgers for the grill, if it's all wet, a lot of that can run off when it's cooking because a lot of moisture comes out of it. So we're going to add some La Mexicana salsa. Take the spoon. Where did I put the spoon? I put it somewhere. Hold on. All right, we found our spoon. Coming back into it with the salsa. We're going to give a decent amount on it. Put a nice blob on, spread it around on each piece. And the reason why I wanted to make a cooking video with how we do this is a lot of people, I've told a lot of people about putting salsa on the salmon fillets, and everybody's like, I've never heard of that. This here is Sockeye Salmon. I don't really like buying the frozen salmon that's in bags and stuff. It doesn't taste the same. Sockeye Salmon looks a lot more beautiful. The meat's really red and nice and bright. So put a nice good layer of salsa on there. Something I've learned through trial and error is I like to put lime and lemon and a lot of citrusy type notes on a lot of my fish, but salmon is definitely not one of them. All right, so we're about done here. That's a lot. Good to go. Now we'll set this aside and we're going to cut up some veggies. One little tip that I will give you is, especially with thin ones like this, thin little cutting boards, set it down right here. You go to try to cut something and it's sliding all over the place. Take a basic paper towel, wet it down in your sink, kind of make sure it's all over it. Slap it down, set that on there. That's not going anywhere, it's spilling my water. So we're going to start with basic bell pepper, green bell pepper. Cut it through, around, try not to cut yourself. Want to get all those seeds out of there. Pop it out just like that, cut it right down the middle. Down the middle again. See the side. See all this white stuff in here. If you are not familiar with bell peppers, it's all the veins and crap. I'm gonna take some of that out. Toss it away for the dog. Where is Otto? You guys haven't met Otto yet. He's our new pug puppy. Otto, come here, buddy. Get him. Here he is. Come here, handsome. He's a 3-year-old pug. He's the sweetest guy. Look at him already trying to eat the bell pepper. Say, what's up, guys? Go ahead and like and subscribe so I can get a milk bone. Boy. All right, coming back up here. Taking the rest of this stuff out. All right, guys, just finished cutting up the bell pepper, making nice long strips. I'll tell you why in a second. You should probably already know how to cut an onion, but if you don't, you just want to get that outside layer off enough. Get to the good white stuff. I'm using a yellow onion. Sometimes I like using red onions. They're kind of more purple color to me, but I'm colorblind, so what the hell do I know? Yeah, you just want to get this outside layer off. When you're cooking veggies on the grill, whether it's in a veggie trap like this one, or you just want to throw them on there, if I were to throw these on the grill just to have them on top of a burger, cut them just like that. Yeah. Catch me outside, how about that? Cut them like that, throw them on the grill, pow, they're not going to fall through the screen. But if you dice them like a lot of people do, obviously all these little remnants are just going to fall right through into the grill, catch fire, and you're wasting your food. But with this veggie trap, you'll be able to cut it long ways, just like that. Watch your fingers, don't cut yourself. That should be good right there. Aside. I just want to get that little middle piece out right there with all the junk. It's not junk, you could eat it, but I don't want to eat it. So we got the veggie tray here. Gonna lay these out all over the place. So the bell peppers and the onions can get a good mixture together. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam, bada bang. If you guys like this video so far, go ahead and smash the like button and let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do some more typical cooking videos, so I'm not wasting your time trying to catch fish. And here's our bell peppers. As I told you, the same thing with the onions. Cut them in long strips. You don't want to dice them up too much because they'll fall through the grill. Close this puppy up. Oh, we missed one. It's all right. Give some to the dog. Come here, Hook Dog. Oh, you're already eating some, are you? Yeah. Coronavirus, gotta stay healthy. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Kilo. There you go. Yeah, he don't want no part of it. No, Otto would eat anything. All right, guys, we're using some cherry wood charcoal. Regular Kingsford charcoal, but it has cherry wood infused into it. Gives it a nice smoky flavor, which is what I like on all salmon and fish are like that. Nice smoky flavor. Unless I'm doing fish tacos. Spread around evenly. A lot of people have different ways of stacking our charcoal. I've always just spread it out evenly. Throw some lighter fluid on it. Make sure you get the edges. Some of the most important coals. And that's enough. Before we light it, pull the rack back over. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Some of you might be saying, why is he showing me how to light a grill? To be honest with you, some people don't know how to light a grill. Start a match, throw it in there. I like to do two just because light matches is fun. Bada bang. Now, let that catch fire. Make sure your vents down here are open all the way so you can get the air down there. And here's one cool thing about this grill. You can lower the fuego, lower the fire down. It's really nice. Anyway, we'll let those coals go ahead and simmer down until they're just not on fire anymore. We got our salmon, our veggies ready. We'll slap them on there. All right, guys, grill's heated up, coals are ready. We got the salmon here marinating. All that flavor and goodiness is going bang, 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 bang. But real quick, something I almost forgot to tell you guys is to these veggies, I'm gonna add some coconut oil. You can get it anywhere. I got this one, it's pretty liquidy because it's been under heat. Coconut oil is just a little bit more healthy than other alternatives like vegetable oil. Add a little bit of this on top. Just like that. And then I like to add some Lowry's garlic salt. Any garlic salt will do, doesn't matter. Put some of that on there. If it were up to me, I would put the Everglades fish and chicken seasoning on them, but I think that'll overdo it for Lindsay, the wife. So, stick the garlic salt and coconut oil. Bring it over here. Now we're gonna put this directly over the coals. Move that up just a tad. And then we'll come back over here. Grab this beautiful salmon. Look at that. Look at the shine, baby. Bow, bow, bow. It's gonna explode. Right over here. And maybe not, because I don't want it to fall. Grab these suckers. Transfer them on the grill like that. Continuing on to my second tip with salmon on the grill. I like to keep the skin on the bottom. I don't like to fillet it off. Being, when you throw the salmon on the grill, the skin stays there, and you can most of the time, can't do it yet because it's not done cooking, but scrape all that goodness right off the skin. Let your grill cool down. Once there's no heat at all being applied, go back, peel the skin right off. Easy cleanup, easy day, perfect salmon. All right, we're gonna go ahead and wait for this to cook. Set it down. This is gonna have to pop up. Perfect. Sit and wait. All right, our salmon's looking pretty done. Got all those fats and juices coming up out of it. I'm gonna try to do what I was telling you guys about with the skin. Set this down. Where it doesn't fall. Lift this up here. Maybe got to pinch it in right here a little bit, and then it comes right off. Kind of tear it in half in the middle, just like that. Look at that. Beautiful, steamy. Skin stays there. Place that on the beautiful cutting board. Scrape the rest of this right off of the skin. Now you have beautiful skinless fillets of sockeye salmon. This one kind of stuck on there. I'm gonna have to pull it off. That'll be alright. Happens sometimes. No big deal. Get this other one. That. Got our veggies. Look like they're almost done. Onions are definitely getting done. Go ahead and shut this, let those veggies finish cooking out. Take this salmon over here. Smell that, camera lady. Do you smell it?
Yeah, that's
only if you guys had smell-o-vision. All right, take it over here. Flip these bad boys over for a second. Get the rest of that skin right off. Place the fillet down. One thing I recommend is make sure you're always washing your hands. Dealing with anything raw. Get those germs off there, especially with the coronavirus going on. Everybody hopefully is staying safe. Dogs will eat that up later. Good vitamins for them. All right, we'll let the flavors of the salmon soak in for a second. Go ahead and grab these vegetables. Look at that. They're going to be tasty. Over here. Set them down. We've got here a made up caprese salad. Just spinach, tomatoes, some blobs of mozzarella. It's going to be a tasty meal. Go ahead and set this up. Whenever I'm cooking, I like to make a dish look beautiful, because every time you make a beautiful dish, your tummy feels better. A lot better than just going to McDonald's and getting some nasty stuff. That's not healthy. Now, when you pull this off of the grill, a lot of people want to dive right into it. Let it sit for a second, because this is super hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Bad day. Shebang. Come over here. Maybe back over here. Grab these puppies right here. Grab some of these onions and bell pepper. I'm curious on the people who are watching this. What's your favorite fish? You know what? No, not even favorite fish. We'll narrow it down to favorite dish to make on the grill outside on a beautiful day like this. Blue skies, nice warm weather. What's your go-to grill dish? Let me know in the comment section. Take some of this caprese salad. Set her down. Get some of that beautiful bright red tomato onto the dish. Make sure we get some more mozzarella too. It's not good for the dogs. Dogs are spoiled around here. They like hanging outside whenever I'm grilling. All right, I'll let you do the honors, cameraman. Turn it around, I'll take over. Here's your fork. Tell me your honest opinion.
I can't even do anything.
It's all right.
That's good.
Yeah? What do you taste mostly?
Definitely the salmon.
Yeah. I'd hope so. It's a good flavor. All right, guys. That's all we got for you today on Hooked. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys like this type of video, let me know in the comment section below if you liked it. We'll do more cooking sessions like this. Other than that, we're going ahead and catch you on the fish side. Late.